In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to double-space your text in Google Docs. This simple formatting technique can make your document easier to read or follow, especially if you're working on something like an academic paper or a manuscript where double-spaced text is often required. So, let's dive in and get started with a few straightforward steps. First, you'll want to open your document in Google Docs. If you already have it open, great. If not, go ahead and locate it in your Google Drive and open it up. Once your document is ready to go, you'll need to decide which portion of the text you'd like to double space. You might want to double space the entire document, or maybe just a specific section. If you're opting for the entire document, there's a handy shortcut you can use. Press Ctrl+A if you're on a Windows computer, or +A if you're using a Mac. This will select all the text in your document, which can save you a lot of time. However, if you only need a specific portion to be double-spaced, simply click and drag your mouse over the text you wish to select. This will highlight that portion, indicating that it's ready for the next step in formatting. With your text selected, direct your attention to the menu bar at the top of the screen. You'll want to click on the Format option. A drop-down menu will appear, providing you with a variety of options for adjusting your document's layout and appearance. Look for the line and paragraph spacing option in this menu. Upon clicking this, you'll see several choices appear in a secondary drop-down menu. Here, you'll want to select the option labeled Double, or sometimes you'll see it represented as 2.0. Clicking this will apply double spacing to the highlighted text, instantly providing a little breathing room between each line. Now, a little extra tip for those who like having more control over their document's appearance. Google Docs offers a custom spacing option within that same line and paragraph spacing menu. If you click on Custom Spacing, you'll be able to specify an exact line spacing value. Plus, you can add a specific amount of space before and after paragraphs should you desire a more tailored look to your document. This can be particularly useful if you're dealing with specific formatting guidelines or if you simply enjoy a more personalized touch. And there you have it. By following these uncomplicated steps, you can effortlessly adjust the line spacing in your Google Docs document to your liking. Thanks for joining me today, and if you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on making the most of your digital tools.